We'll guide you through how to integrate Stripe with WooCommerce. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway, and when it appears in the search results, click Install Now, followed by Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new option for Stripe under the WooCommerce settings. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and click on the Payments tab. Here, you'll see Stripe listed as an option. Click on Manage next to Stripe. Now, you'll need to connect your Stripe account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create it by following the prompts. For those who already have an account, click on Connect with Stripe and log in using your credentials. Once connected, you'll be redirected back to the WooCommerce settings page. Here, make sure the Enable Stripe checkbox is ticked. You can also configure additional settings such as capturing payments immediately or upon fulfillment, customizing the description that customers will see on their bank statements, and setting up test mode if you're not ready to go live. Don't forget to save your changes. Before you finish, it's a good idea to run a test transaction to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can enable test mode in the Stripe settings and use the test card numbers provided by Stripe to simulate a purchase. Once everything checks out, disable test mode to start accepting real payments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.